Girl, the stickers on your cup.
Shut your mouth, man.
Okay.
Suppose I didn't say you talk for you. You'd have been Tiffany Haddish in a real color, you know? Okay, already look like her.
That did not look like Tiffany Haddish.
Tiffany Haddish, come check out Livy.
Tiffany Haddish. Come check out Livy. Tiffany Haddish, take around. You think we look alike or not? No, get my good side. Okay.
Say it again. Let me see if you sound like her. Go on.
Say what? Girl. Okay. This nice. Okay.
Blood fire.
I do that actually a lot. Oh my gosh. How did he die?
Oh my gosh. Oh, did he die?
Oh, did he die?
No, we don't say that. I will kill him. You ever say I will kill him?
Like Rich Homie Quan? Rest in peace. I want to kill him. I want to kill him.
I will kill him. When I say how did he die, I say I him dead. But I him dead. I will kill him. Yeah.
But I owe him dead.
And then followed by I will kill him.
But I owe him dead. I want to kill him.
Yeah.
Kill him.
Kill him.
I want to kill him.
Baby, come out of Nigeria. Go to Kingston. I will kill him.
I want to kill him.
Yeah.
What was the first part about him died?
I owe him dead.
I'm dead. I want to kill him. Kill him.
I owe him dead. I will kill him.
What killed him?
Yeah.
How he died? That's what we say. How did he die? Oh my gosh. This one is a bug. Centipede.
Oh.
Sinner. Like a sinner at church. Centipede.
A sinner.
A sinner at church.
Centipede. What we say?
Centipede. Centipede.
We say farty leg. Farty leg. Blood fire. What's your farty leg there?
I heard fatty leg, but you said 40 leg.
Yeah, farty. Because you know 40 is farty.
Fatty.
Yeah, fart. Like caca. Fart. Farty leg. Yeah, might step on the farty leg.
There was a fatty leg in my room earlier. Centipede. Y'all don't call it nothing but a fatty leg.
Farty. When I say farty leg.
Sorry. The T really matters, guys.
It does.
No other letter matters.